situation. I moved into another place and I don't have all my stuff here yet. Ooh, but it's coming. Ooh, it's some good. Y'all, I'm happy. It's like when you have some good food, I be so happy. Especially when it's good and it's hitting my tummy and my taste buds. Like, yeah, baby. What it do? What it do? Want some more, baby? You show.
Mother's Day.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is, but I'm trying to share. Because I want to show you that I care.
Oh, here we go.
About my Pooh Bear. Y'all, did I give it to him? Am I there? I got them bars. I got them bars. Y'all are like, girl, bye. Girl, bye. But I got them bars. I got them bars. What you know about that? What you know about that? Yes, y'all. That lemon rain, that yum good. That yum good.